Let's have a look at pouring milk. When pouring the milk into the espresso, it's important to get the proportions right. Remember, proportion is one of the most important things we can do in the preparation of fantastic coffee. The proportion is dependent on the drink you are making. It's very important that your milk is properly blended. Perfectly textured and blended milk will always look smooth, creamy, and free from big visible bubbles. Split the milk into 2 jugs to allow equal amounts of foam for both cups. Start high. Aim to pierce the crema with a thinnish stream of milk. Then get in closer. Pour close to the coffee with a thicker, steady stream of milk. If you can pour water into a cup in a solid, steady stream, you'll be ready to pour latte art. Now move up again using a thinner stream in preparation for finishing. Finally, cut. Cut off the side of the cup to cut your pattern in half. Remember, the proportion of milk to foam is dependent on which drink you are making.